So this afternoon, we were going to discuss about animals and animals adaptation. So nakikita nyo ba ang nasa screen? Okay. So animal adaptation. So what is animal adaptation? So it is a body part or body covering of an animal or behavior that helps an animal survive in its environment. So adaptations are any behavioral or physical characteristics of an animal that help it to survive in its environment. These characteristics fall into three main categories, which is the body parts, the body coverings, and the behaviors of the animals. Any or all of these types of adaptation play a critical role in the survival of an animal. So animal adaptation is, you know, helps the animal to survive in their environment and how they were going to use it to get some food. Okay, so now this is the body part. So here are some body parts of the animal. So first we have the webbed feet. So webbed feet help animals propel themselves through the water with ease. This can help the animal swim faster to catch prey or escape a predator. Also, if an animal has to swim long distances, webbed feet can help it save energy so it can swim farther. So the example of an animal that have a webbed feet is the duck. Okay, so the duck has a webbed feet and it helps to, madali lang yung paglangoy nila sa tubig. Siguro nakita na kayo ng, di ba, class, duck? Yes, of course. And webbed feet, it also helps the animal to catch prey or escape a predator. So, madali lang nila ma-escape ang predator if they have a webbed feet like duck or what else? Yeah, we have duck, right? And we have also lizard. Lizard has a webbed feet, okay? So next, we have sharp claws. So sharp claws can be used for many different purposes. For instance, many herbivores use their sharp claws for digging for berries, roots, and herbs, or burrowing for shelter. Animals that eat meat may use their claws for killing their prey or tearing meat from their gills. So the example of animals, bear. We have bear. So bears use their sharp claws to get berries, right? Digging for shelter or burrowing for shelter, and also sharp claws can used for defense, and for some animals, showing of claws is enough or warning for their predators or competitors to back off. So it's a sign na nag-warn sila to stay away from me. Don't get near, too far from me. I don't get near, from me, like that. So sharp claws can used for many different purposes. So next we have whiskers. We are familiar of this. So sino dito ang merong cat sa kanilang bahay, pusa? Oh, ang dami. Yes. So yung ang tawag ng, merong 'di ba, balbas or for dito yung pusa. Ang tawag doon is whiskers, okay? So whiskers served an important purpose for many animals. In most cases, whiskers around the face, specifically the mouth area, kanang part sa cat, di ba? Area help the animal feel its way through tight spots. In a way, they serve as fillers, telling the animal whether or not it can fit into a specific area. And also, whiskers is useful to sense prey. So whiskers is really important, like cat, not just cat but lion. We have leopard. What else? Rhino. Rhinos, yeah, merong whiskers, diba? So whiskers is really important because they can feel. That is why it calls feelers kasi they can feel na merong prey or kalaban, or also they can feel na if whether or that area ma-fit ba sila. It's really very helpful to them. And then next we have sharp teeth. So sharp teeth are used mainly for the tearing and chewing of an animal's prey. Carnivores rely on their sharp teeth to allow them to eat and survive. Sharp teeth can serve another purpose like defense, and some animals bearing a large set of sharp teeth can show power or fear. So as you can see, we have here the lion, right? So nagpapakita siya ng kanyang sharp teeth because it's show power and fear, and also it helps them to eat the meat easily kasi meron silang sharp teeth. And then we have large beaks. So large beaks are often an adaptation used to help an animal to eat. The large beaks is used to tear meat. And also, large beaks, just in the case of sharp teeth, kanin the same lang sila sa sharp teeth. For example, this picture is a macaw bird. So macaw has been adapted to help it crack open large nuts or peanut kasi yan yung kinakain nila. Or it can also help them to reach fruits and kakainin lang nila easily. So large beaks are really helpful sa mga macaw bird. And then we have wings. So wings are very important, lalong-lalo na to those animals that can fly, of course. So we have wings are another highly visible adaptation in many animals. Although most of birds, when it comes to wings, I'm sorry. Although most think of birds when it comes to wings, other animals like the vampire bat also have wings like structure that help it fly sa bat, yung mga paniki. Of course, the primary function of wings is to fly in most animals with wings. So wings, it really help them to fly, and they can also use it to travel from place to place, and it really helpful sa mga birds, dun sa mga flying animals, okay? That is their most important body adaptation. And then we have the last part of the body adaptation or body parts of the animals is we have hooves. So hooves are another body part that are an important adaptation for many large animals. In most cases, animals with hooves use their especially adapted feet to maneuver in a rocky environment. For example, horses. Diba? Horses, we have cows, we have carabaos. They have hooves and their feet. So hooves protect the feet of the animals and allow for greater mobility than protective feet. So nakakatulong talaga yan kasi, for example, yung horses, di ba, they can go to rocky roads, rocky mountains, and okay lang sa kanila because they have hooves. Yung part, tingnan nyo sa picture, di ba, sa lower, this is a zebra's feet, so the hooves. So it can really easily compare dun sa mga animals that they don't have hooves or unprotected, feet. Okay, so now we were going to move to the body coverings. So before we were going to go to body coverings, first is we're going to review again the body parts. So we have hooves, wings, large beaks, sharp teeth, whiskers, and sharp claws.